Namaskaram girls. So last history first lesson what we have learned girls. So First World War. With that war, what treaty they have signed? Yes, Treaty of Versailles. So to compromise peace, what they have formed League of Nations. So this and all you have learnt in the first lesson of the history. Now in this lesson, that is in between the two world wars, first world war was there and the second world war was there, in between what has happened in the world, that only this lesson. What might have happened girls? Yes, they face the financial problem. Okay, so just we'll go for the introductions. In that one, capitalist, because of the World War I, capitalist shattered means they doesn't have the full power also, and there was a change in the political and financial matters. European countries become very weak because all countries involved in the war. When they have spent more money in the war, what might have happened? So the financial, they struggled in the financial. Another one, that have a conflict between the workers and the ruling class. They started to control the government. In Italy, fascism. In Germany, Nazism. And anti-colonial struggle. This becomes intensified. Intensified means very, that is very keen, தீவிரமாக அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல. This becomes in the world. Okay, this is the introduction. Next, when you come for the Great Depression, so depression means when you are not feeling well or something like that, you will feel depressed. But here depressed means the financial matters. So the world becomes depressed because of the First World War, and particularly it is in USA only. USA, not only in USA, in all other countries they have depressed. So this depression affected the industries and the world trade. So contacts with the trade, that and all has become so difficult. They feel very burdened for the European countries. So these are the one for Great Depression. Next, when you come for stock market, the first crash which was occurred in the October 1929, this, that is investment, consumers, they want more people began to sell their share market. Share market means they purchase the one and whenever they don't want they will sell. But in this situation in America, the people are fond to buy the stock market. Okay, so that is the one they started to buy. But in this critical situation, they started to sell their stocks. They want to dispose their stocks. But there were no buyers. Once they started to buy fastly, but after the First World War, nobody doesn't want to get. So there are no buyers. When they are selling their stock market, there were no buyers. So this becomes an American bank becomes failed. So financial becomes a forced to invested in the abroad. So this is a stock market and breakdown of the international exchange. The England people cut backs expenditure. Cut backs means if you have money, you will purchase everything. If you don't have money, think of that. What will you do? you will reduce your expenditure. Am I correct, girls? So if you have money, you will purchase your dress or ornaments or something like that. When you don't have the money, you won't buy. So in what manner you can reduce, you will think of, correct? Like the same way, England, they cut back their expenditure and they increased in the taxation. So while they increase the taxes, this situation can't paid by the people. Okay, so England decided to gold standard. Gold standard means when you give the 1,000 rupees, they will give the gold coins. This is a gold standard, but England have left out that gold standard because the currency valuation become less, so that they don't want to continue the golden standard. So this led to the worldwide credit contraction. Whatever they adopted by the various, they want to safeguard their economic interest. Okay. So this was a deep and prolonged economist, and historians call this is a Great Depression. So the historian says this is a situation that is a Great Depression. When you come for the repercussion in politics, repercussion means that is they are reducing in the power, that shattering in the politics. This situation, how it shattered in the politics, that is, they want to change the political in several countries. In England, Labour Party was defeated in the general election of 1931. In USA, Republican Party was rejected by the people for about 20 years after this depression. And next, rise of fascism and Nazism. First we will see the impact of war in Italy. So in this Italy, they want to against the old regime, old ruling system. So during this First World War, the Austrians occupied the southern front, but Britain, French, USA captured the Germany. Italy faced the financial situation in the Italy because of the war. They spent in the war. So in the sharing of the spoils means during the Treaty of Versailles, so they are splitting no girls, that only. So Italy got what they expect. Italy thought that they can get big places or big countries, but what they expect is not received by the treaty. So this country suffered heavy losses in the war. So this was unhappy for the marginal gain in the territory because of the Treaty of Versailles. The war resulted in inflation. Inflation is panaveekam abin solluvom. Often they had protests, strikes in Italy. People held the rulers responsible. So there was no proper ruler. So this Italy faced many problems. When you come for emergence of Mussolini, when the election conducted in 1919 in the November, after the Treaty of Versailles, Italy got Bolshevism. Bolshevik party Already we saw Nogul, which was in the communism in Soviet Russia. They got 1/3 of the seats. Mussolini, father was a blacksmith and he was qualified as an elementary teacher, and he becomes a journalist. He became a speaker. He gave the support to the use of violence and broke with the socialist. When the fascists found in 1919, they joined in the fascist party. He was an ex-soldier. Not only he was an ex-soldier, and fascist party, in this one, all the people have joined. Middle class people, everybody joined in this fascist party. So after this, in October 1922, all these people marched towards the Rome with a group of people. They took a procession. After seeing that the king, that is Mussolini, they marched along with the Mussolini. This marchers impressed the king, and he invited Mussolini to form a government. So at that time, Democratic Party leaders can't to combine or can't to rule. So Mussolini got the power. So Mussolini becomes a leader for this fascist party. Now after that, fascist under Mussolini, how the fascist party taken over by the Mussolini, and what all he has done in the Italy. So in 1924 election, 65% has won by the fascist party. He became a socialist leader. The fairness of the election, that is election. In this election, he has become a leader. The opposition parties boycotted the parliament. Mussolini banning the opposition party, press. Many people were killed. Opposition leaders were killed or imprisoned. He achieved the title Deuce. Deuce means leader. So he became a dictator in 1926. He passed many laws for the striking, lockouts, unions and employees. They formed a corporation, that is organization. In 1938, they abolished the parliament with the body representing by the fascist party. The new arrangement done by the Mussolini make the control of the economy. So he shows the power of the head of administrations and armed forces. Okay, girls, like that, how he has come to the power. Who has come to the power? Mussolini. So he belongs to which party? Fascist party. Okay, girls. So Mussolini's, what all he has done? He has stopped the lockouts, strikes, everything. Now Mussolini is pact with Pope. What is pact? That is signing. So they want to respect to the fascist party. Mussolini won over the Roman Catholic Church by recognizing the Vatican City. That city becomes an independent state. So in return, the church recognized the kingdom. So they want to have a religion of Italy. So compulsory religious teaching has provided in the schools. which was ordered by the Mussolini. So the signed with the Pope is Lateran Treaty, which is signed in the year 1929. Italy during the Great Depression. So during the time of the Depression, they faced many problems. Public works, they construct the new bridges, roads, canals, hospitals, schools, everything was public works was constructed by the power of the Mussolini. They didn't give the solution for the unemployment. In 1935, Mussolini invaded Ethiopia. This was useful for the people from the economic troubles. These are the period during the depression in Italy, which was taken under the control of the Mussolini. So dictatorship have changed to the Italy. Okay girls, this is about the fascism in Italy. In the next session we will see the Nazism in Germany, how they are developing. Okay girls, thank you girls.